How to add a terms and conditions page in Shopify? A terms and conditions page outlines the rules for using your website, helps protect your business, and gives customers more confidence when shopping. You can easily add it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Add your terms and conditions policy from your Shopify admin. Go to Settings, then select Policies. Scroll down until you find the Terms of Service section. Here, you have 2 options. If you don't already have your own legal text, simply click Insert Template to generate a standard terms of service for your store. If you've already prepared your own terms and conditions, just paste the content into the text box instead. Once everything looks good, click Publish. After that, copy the page content so you can use it later. Step 2. Create a dedicated terms and conditions page. Next, let's create a page so customers can easily view your terms. Go to Online Store, then Pages, and click Add Page. Enter Terms and Conditions as the page title. Then paste the same terms and conditions content into the page editor, or simply add a link directing customers to your policy if you prefer. When you're finished, click Save. Step 3. Add the page to your footer menu. Finally, let's make the page easy for customers to find. Go to Content, then Menus, open your footer menu. Then click Add Menu Item. Enter Terms and Conditions as the menu name. For the link, choose either Pages, then select your terms and conditions page you have created before. Click Add, and don't forget to click Save menu to apply the changes. And that's it! Your terms and conditions are now set up in Shopify, published for your customers, and easily accessible from your store's footer. Having this page in place helps your store appear more professional while making your policies clear and transparent. Don't forget to subscribe and check the comments for more details.